See yourself making money without draining your social battery. No awkward small talk. No exhausting meetings. Just you, your skills, and a system that works for you. If you're an introvert, you might think the business world is built for extroverts networking, pitching, selling. But that's a myth. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your natural strengths into financial success. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to making money in a way that fits your personality without pretending to be someone you're not. Society often rewards the loudest voices, the biggest personalities, the ones who know how to sell themselves. That can feel discouraging if you're someone who thrives in quiet spaces, who prefers deep thought over fast talk. Maybe you've tried side hustles before but felt overwhelmed by the networking and social energy required. Or maybe you've avoided opportunities because they seem too extrovert-focused. But here's the truth, introverts have incredible advantages when it comes to making money. You just need to know how to use them. 1. The introvert's advantage in making money. The modern economy is shifting. The highest earners today are not necessarily the ones who speak the loudest, they're the ones who think strategically, work efficiently, and leverage their strengths. Introverts excel in focus, deep work, and independent problem solving. These traits are invaluable when it comes to making money. The ability to work alone for long hours allows introverts to master complex skills, build strong systems, and create businesses that run smoothly without constant social interaction. Think of Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men. He's an introvert who built his empire through deep research and independent decision-making. If he can do it, so can you. 2. Best careers and income streams for introverts. If traditional 9-to-5 jobs feel draining, you don't have to force yourself into them. There are plenty of careers that allow introverts to thrive. Fields like software development, writing, graphic design, video editing, research, and data analysis all allow for deep, independent work with minimal social interaction. Entrepreneurship is another powerful option. Starting an online business, running an e-commerce store, or creating a consulting service lets you control your environment. Even in corporate settings, introverts can excel in roles that focus on strategy, analysis, and execution rather than sales and networking. 3. Online business models that work for introverts. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need to be charismatic on camera or a social media guru to make money online. Blogging, self-publishing books, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and running niche YouTube channels, even faceless ones, are all ways introverts can generate significant income. These models allow you to build wealth without constantly engaging in draining social interactions. A powerful example? Tim Ferriss, an introvert, built a digital empire through writing, automation, and delegation without being the loudest voice in the room. 4. Investing, the ultimate introvert wealth building strategy. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth quietly. It doesn't require networking, selling, or social energy. It requires patience, research, and strategy, traits that many introverts naturally excel in. Whether it's stocks, real estate, index funds, or crypto, investing allows you to grow your money passively while working in a way that aligns with your personality. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Compound interest is a silent but powerful wealth-building tool. Just like introverts, it works best in the background, growing stronger over time. 5. The power of deep work and focus. One of the biggest strengths of introverts is their ability to focus deeply. This is a competitive advantage in today's distracted world. While others waste hours scrolling social media or engaging in meaningless meetings, introverts can master high-value skills that lead to high earnings. Whether it's coding, writing, or designing, the ability to do uninterrupted work is an asset. Want proof? Look at successful introverted creators. J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter by isolating herself and focusing deeply on her craft. Introverts can build wealth by using this same focused approach in their fields. 6. Networking and personal branding without social burnout. You don't have to network in the traditional sense to succeed. Instead of forcing yourself into draining social events, leverage digital networking. Build a strong LinkedIn profile. Use email to reach out to potential clients or partners. Create content that attracts opportunities to you. A well-crafted blog post, an insightful tweet, or a valuable YouTube video can bring opportunities directly to your inbox. No small talk required. Introverts can build powerful brands by focusing on value and consistency rather than constant social engagement. 7. Scaling income without social overload. The best way to increase earnings as an introvert is through automation and delegation. Once you've built an income stream, whether freelancing, selling digital products, or investing, focus on scaling without adding social stress. Automate marketing with email funnels. Outsource customer service. Use software to handle repetitive tasks. Introverts thrive when they create systems that make money work for them, instead of constantly hustling. A perfect example? Online course creators who build once and sell forever. This allows introverts to generate passive income while keeping their energy intact. 8. Mental shifts for financial confidence as an introvert. Many introverts believe they're at a disadvantage when it comes to making money, but that's simply not true. The key is to embrace your strengths. Instead of seeing introversion as a limitation, view it as a superpower. Many successful entrepreneurs, investors, and creatives are introverts who found ways to build wealth in their own way. Reframe your mindset. You don't have to be loud to be successful. You just need a strategy that aligns with who you are. The moment you start playing to your strengths, the game changes. The world doesn't need more people pretending to be extroverts. It needs more people owning their strengths and using them wisely. Every successful introvert you admire didn't force themselves into an extroverted mold, they created a path that worked for them. And so can you. If you've been waiting for permission to start, this is it. The sooner you take action, the sooner your financial freedom begins. Because the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. If this video gave you new insights, let me know in the comments what strategy are you going to try first? And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ways to grow your wealth as an introvert. Plus, I've left some exclusive resources in the description to help you get started. And since you made it this far, YouTube knows exactly what you should watch next. It's on the screen right now, click it and keep going.